In this short tutorial, you will learn how to avoid highways on Google Maps. Many people prefer to take the scenic route or avoid busy highways when they're going on a trip, and Google Maps makes it really simple to do just that. By following a few simple steps, we can customize our route to avoid highways and choose alternative roads. To get started, open up the Google Maps app and set a route to where you want to go. Once you've done that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Options. Now you'll see an option called Avoid Highways. To avoid highways, simply toggle on this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.